What's up, guys? I'm starting off with a little bit of a vlog style video, but I don't know if it's going to continue on much today, but I wanted to at least share with you guys what I'm doing right now, and I'll see how much stuff we end up doing today. So, checking out another property right now. I didn't make an appointment or anything for it, so I'm just literally doing a drive-by, but this one is north of DFW area instead of east. So I'm checking out this area. The roads seem to be a lot nicer leading up to it. So just as an example, so far the roads are much better on this side of the city than the other roads that we were dealing with yesterday. So I think the other thing too, I don't know if I told you guys, but the property that I looked at, if you guys haven't seen yesterday's vlog, you probably have no idea what I'm talking about, but if you check out yesterday's vlog, I showed you guys a property that I was looking at, and it had a shop on it, and it also had a barn type thing that I could convert to storage, which pretty cool, but the house inside was really not that good. It was built in 2002, but it was super dated inside. It looked all 90s and just weird colors and paint and mismatched floors. The exterior of the house looked good, but the inside was, for the price they're asking, it was no bueno. So right now, going to look at another property. I kind of like this area a little bit better. Like I said, better roads. It doesn't seem as the area that I went before. You had to take all these goat paths to get to the house, whereas this one seems a lot more open. The road seems a lot better. I don't know. I'll do a drive-by. Originally, I said I wasn't going to show you guys the actual house outside, just in case I end up buying it. That way, most of you guys, like I said, are cool, but you never know. There's some weirdos that might end up watching the channel and might be, you guys have seen other YouTubers and stuff where people are harassing them and doing just strange stuff. So, but that house looks pretty nice right there. But yeah, there's a lot of cool properties out here. Pretty much, if you guys notice, most of the houses, I don't know what the heck that thing is, but so yeah, that house has a huge shop next to it. A lot of houses out here all have big shops. I don't know if you guys can see up there, big old shops next to the house. So it's kind of a common theme. Look, there's a house with a big shop next to it. It's pretty common out this way. Look, shop. Every single one of those houses has a shop detached from the house. So kind of along the same path as what we're trying to do, but I just gotta find something that makes sense. And it's, the other thing too is I didn't talk much about yesterday about the taxes. Look at this massive shop this guy has, tiny little house. So everybody's on the same page out here. Just real quick though, what I didn't talk about yesterday was the taxes. So I guess, and I'm learning along with you guys, there's certain areas over here that have crazy tax and then some that's reasonable. For example, the house that I'm looking at right now, the taxes are reasonable. On I want to say I think $500 or so $1,000 house, the taxes are maybe $6-7 grand, which is kind of average from what I'm used to, at least from the California prices. It's not the greatest in the nation, but it's not the worst. Versus yesterday, the house, similar price point, but the taxes were almost $11,000-$12,000. It was insane. It was literally double, almost. I don't know what distinguishes the different taxes, the different areas, but it's just something that I'm having a look at. All these houses, I don't know if you guys can see, through the trees, they all have huge shops. Look, big old shop in the backyard, real nice houses. A lot of them have shops in the back. Look, big shop back there too. So pretty cool that a lot of people seem to be, I don't know if they're gearheads or what they're putting in these things, but everybody's got shops out here. Okay, this looks way more legit than the place yesterday, you guys. Look at all these houses. Everybody's got a shop. Big house with a shop. Big house with a shop. Big old house with a shop. Pretty much all of them. Look at that. Huge shop. Nice paved roads. Look at these guys. These guys like to party. All sorts of trailers and stuff. I don't know what this is. They even got a nice little turnaround for everybody with their big old trailers for their shops. This is cool. I'm digging this little area for sure. So this is the one in question, you guys. Pretty nice looking house. All paved coming through here. Nice little shop. So there we go. 2-bay. I don't know how far back this goes. Looks like it's maybe 30 feet long. Not bad though. And this kind of jaunts out a little bit better. Not too terrible. Could use a little bit bigger shop, but it's definitely a good start for sure. It's got power. No pool like the last one, but still looks half decent. Might be worth actually checking out. And they got the American flag in the driveway. Might be a sign. I'm down with that. Only thing about this one, you guys, is the roof line on the shop. If you guys can see, it doesn't look that high. I don't know that you'd be able to really put a lift in that. You'd be able to store vehicles for sure and work on stuff, but I don't think you'd be able to go up. So might be a consideration. As much as I like this area and stuff, the shop would probably have to be redone because I don't think you'd be able to go up high enough, unfortunately. So I don't know. I'll keep looking, but I wanted to show you guys this one at least, and I wanted to check it out. But I don't know. We'll see. I guess if the price was right, you could always redo the shop, but would have been nice if you could just move in and start doing your thing. And the neighbor's got a shop too, and he's working on stuff. Super cool area. All right, well, we're out of there. I'm gonna give the old EcoDees a little bath. I haven't washed this thing since California, sadly, so she deserves a good bath finally. Heck yeah. And just a little public service announcement. Don't wash off your vehicle if there's other people waiting, you guys. Pull off to the side. Use your chamois out here. So I'm gonna spray down the tires with some tire shine. If you guys are wondering what kind of stuff I use, I'll link these. This thing is amazing. It doesn't have the sticker or label on it anymore. It's called the Absorber. It's like the best chamois in the world. I've used these for years. And then Maguire's tire shine is the other stuff. So I'm gonna put this on, that way it can kind of adhere to the tires so it doesn't go flinging everywhere, and put this on, and then after that I can go ahead and just chamois it down. Alright, check this thing out just so you guys don't think I'm lying. I'm gonna do it with one hand. Look at that. This thing is insane. It holds so much water. Boom. Again, I'll link that down below, because if you guys haven't ever used one of these, it's a game changer. I promise it is. See, it says right here, the Absorber, but it's 1,000,000 years old. This thing's lasted me like 5 years. Heck yeah. She is super clean now. I'm happy with that. Normally I'd wipe down the wheels, but I don't have a rag with me, but it's pretty dang good. So back on the road. Let's go. Tangle, where are we at?
Man, we suck.
We tangling.
No, we suck.
We tangle. No, I did okay. You're professional.
No.
Look at this. What?
A whopping 113. I think that's equivalent to a 1070.
Let's see. Look. Hold on. You gotta watch this little Atari graphic. There's boosted. Third place. Well, third. I got a 105. Tingle's a 113. We're waiting on the final result to come in. I don't know if I got second or third. Yeah. This Atari game is broken. Alright, I got third. What's he gonna do? Oh, look at it. Boosted got a strike though.
Keep tagging me,
Let's go, sweet thing. Get it, girl. This is Howie's show. Howie, you want to be on here? No. No. Oh, yeah, Howie's not on here. You did not just see Howie. Check out this thing. 6.4 intake. What else? What else you got? Are we talking the bill?
Hey, right here.
It's all secrets.
Right here.
You want to show that one?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Kyle gets mad when we talk about that name. 6.4 intake. Got a V6 fan.
He's got,
Got a bunch of secrets. This is pretty sweet though. Check this out. He polished all of this stuff. And this hood is pretty badass. But it's all steel. I don't know if you guys have seen this hood before. I've never seen one in person, but looks legit. She's got the 22-inch 4-door. Hey, what's the fastest you ever went?
12:00.
Jeez, that's faster than I went with the Pro Charger.
No, 12:00.
That's moving.
There was another number in there.
Mile per hour.
There was another number in there.
Another number in there.
It wasn't flat.
It was 12:004, 12:006.
Was it?
12.
Some of that sort. See, his ticket to success is all
Is that?
there.
It's
buddy.
in the 90 breather.
Yeah, it's venting that crankcase to the atmosphere.
Jeez.
Who needs vacuum?
Nobody.
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 Look at that Shane Roop.
That's a root pipe?
That's a root pipe.
Damn.
Damn, Shane Roop, you didn't polish mine like that.
Ooh.
What's the deal, dude?
Fighting words, man.
He said, "Oh, it's for Howie." He's like, "Ah, fuck."
I approve of everything except for that.
Oh.
You don't like the upgrade?
No, I don't
Hey,
like
hey.
I don't like loom over my shocks.
This is the beefcake to support this 80-ton hood.
A little loom just stiffens her up a little bit.
Don't forget. Don't.
Got some long tubes down in there.
Yeah, a little ATI pulley.
I have one of these. I got this off eBay.
He's like, "I got that shit."
What is that?
It's the overflow.
That's fancy.
It's not bad.
Look at that.
They're like $20 on
See what
eBay.
kind of oily substance we can get out of here.
Ooh. I don't know about you guys, but I think we need one of these on the channel. Look at this thing. This thing is sick. Kyle, you ripped this thing?
No, I hadn't.
This thing is sick.
He's only seen it
Howie.
in the rear view.
Look, it's got a wheelie bar.
Hey, don't fuck with that scooter.
Howie! Why don't I know about this?
This thing is
Look at
sick.
this.
So that is a 12.5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton Animal. And then we pulled the piston, or whatever the hell it is, bored that thing out. It's probably pushing 14 horsepower.
Does it pop wheelies?
That wheelie bar is not for show. We broke the
Couple more beers,
entire...
we're gonna fire it up.
Hey,
There's gonna be a shiner in here in a minute.
Shiner, let's go.
these are not the original because unfortunately somebody found out that those aren't for show. We broke the entire front end off this one time.
This thing is
That's the
sick.
cool 4x4 steering stabilizers.
Shout out to Joey. Shout out to Joey.
Shout out to Joey and Spence over there.
Tuba twos, got a little tuba twos going on here.
You see these? What do they call us? These arm joints? These are upgraded. Core arm back, 4x4.
These are mini Heims.
Look at that.
That's
Oh,
sick. Look at that. It's even got a little bit of all these little buttons over
I'm
there.
getting
Oh no,
stiff as we
that's just
speak.
some drip. That's some drip grip.
What does it say? With the drip grip.
It's got some drip grip.
You feel it?
Howie,
Yeah.
Howie, you know what masking tape is?
Now.
Alright guys, it's dark out. I don't even know if you can see me that well, but that's gonna be a wrap for this video. We'll do another vlog. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this. We'll see you guys in the next video.